Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a strawberry popsicle, so let's get started. First, draw a line to the left, outwards, and to the right. Now downwards. And connect the line. Just following with me. Now draw two lumpy eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle, a curve inside. With three lines. And the mouth. Now we have a strawberry popsicle.
I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.